Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic side mirror. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a screwdriver set and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the exact replacement mirror assembly for your Civic model. It's also helpful to work in a well-lit area, ensuring you can clearly see all the components and connections throughout the process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool to avoid damage. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, unbolt the old mirror assembly from the door frame, typically held by 3 or 4 bolts, and set it aside. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door, aligning the bolt holes. Secure the new mirror by tightening the appropriate bolts firmly, but do not over-tighten them. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to ensure all mirror functions, like adjustment and heating, will work correctly. For the final steps, reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips snap back into place securely. Before you finish, sit in the driver's seat and test the new mirror's electronic functions, such as power adjustment. Also, physically check the mirror for proper adjustment and stability. This ensures your new side mirror is fully functional and ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.